Eggs for you and I, plus I got some bacon.
So that means you did make breakfast?
Yeah, I did make breakfast, so.
Hi fans, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Why am I giving you so much good morning this morning? Don't ask me. And it's not morning, by the way, it is late afternoon. Say hello, fam bam.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Say hi fans.
Hi, Ben.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket.
Yeah, there you guys have it. We're on our way to the supermarket.
Dump truck.
Yeah, it is a dump truck over there. You guys, we're on our way to our fruit and veggie supermarket. Huh?
Look, I love you.
Okay, I see you. It is in the afternoon and we have been home all morning, all because of moi. The reason being is that there is no way I was going to miss the royal wedding this morning. So I woke up on time, I laid in front of the TV and I didn't get up until she got out that church, said I do's, and we're doing the tour to greet everybody along that 30 minutes journey in her carriage like a real princess. So congratulations to the couple. It made Babe and I feel like we fall in love all over again, just watching the fairy tale unfold, and we were just going down memory lanes of our own wedding day. Can you imagine that we've been married almost 5 years, honey? Dang it! We'll be celebrating 5 years anniversary this year, which seemed like we got married just yesterday. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. However, it was a real good experience of watching that wedding. I feel like I was in a church when the pastor was giving that sermon, and it was just everything. It was a perfect diverse wedding. It was just everything. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to the fruits and vegetable supermarket first, and then we're going to go grocery shopping, and then let's see what's on the agenda for the rest of the day after that. But that's what's up right now. We hope you guys are having an amazing day. Make sure you guys have fun, whatever it is that you're doing, or whatever time of the day that it is that you're watching. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay smiling, stay motivated. We love you guys, and we'll catch you guys at the fruit and veggie store. Hold it tight. Hold it. No, hold the bag. Boom. Hold the bag like this, okay? Oh. Alright, go give Papa. Go, take it to Papa. Come. One. Hold it. Put it here. Okay? 2. Snack face. Snack face. Snack face. Alright, I think that's all the things I need from here. Saltfish, I pick up ginger already. I only have saltfish leaf. Alright, so let's go see if I find it. Oreo mo. This boy love Oreo.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know where you get this chocolate thing from. It's not from me. I think I know it's from who. Who you get this chocolate in the mouth from, babe? Eh? You're not answering.
You want to try the things like...
We can. Orchid loves Oreo, you guys. We finished fruits and vegetable supermarket and now we're heading grocery supermarket to get our little goodies for the week. Oreo mouth. Oreo mouth. Oh, but the thing is also here. It's at every entrance. Well, the fact that it's here, we can get it. So we're testing out this new system at the supermarket where we scan our own goods. So baby's trying to figure out this scanner. It will make us go in shorter line and at least we'll know we stay in our budget when we go to the supermarket. It's not working? The water didn't come? You want to scan a different one? So do they rescan it when we go to the...
I don't know how they do it. Happy Saturday. We're back from the supermarket and we are so hungry. Yesterday I come back late from Paris, but I didn't really feel good, so I didn't eat. I almost didn't eat, should I say.
That's so true.
This morning breakfast was...
There was no breakfast.
It was light. Babe was watching TV and say, I'm not gonna get up from this ass. So,
really, honey?
Have to do anything.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
I make eggs for you and I, plus I got some bacon.
So that means you did make breakfast?
Yeah, I did make breakfast though. But no lunch, so yeah, we feel hungry now. So we home, we cooking, or should I say baby's cooking some liver, right?
Yeah, chicken liver. I'm
chicken
cooking
liver
chicken
here.
liver. I'm seasoning up
the meat.
Pork here, and I'm seasoning up chicken here.
And chicken here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what's going down right now. And I think I'm going to make some fried dumplings with this. I know you like that. So I'm making up for the missed lunch.
Sounds good for me.
To make you happy.
Sounds good for me.
So that's what dinner is gonna be. You guys, we're just here chilling. It's a good day. It's so beautiful outside. I'm just getting all these things done from the stuff that we got back from the supermarket. Of course, we restock on planting. I saw corn at the fruits and veggies store, so I pick up corn, restock on fruits, apple, kiwi, banana, pineapple. Tyler is super in love with pineapple these days. Every day he's asking for pineapple. So yeah, that's what's going down. So dinner is going to be chicken liver and fried dumplings. So it's a Jamaican kind of night tonight again. And I know babe love that, so you'll be happy. I take over your conversation, now you can take it back. Okay guys, so that's dinner. And chicken liver is almost finished. Down, down. Goodness me. There you go, guys. We're dinner ready. Tyler, me, which I think I'm only gonna eat 3, and babe. Dinner is ready. Hi faves, I am just editing and realized that of course we didn't end the vlog. So look at my clear face though. Jeez, have to acknowledge that good lighting. I'm just coming out to tell you guys thanks for watching, and sorry again for no expression in today's vlog. Yes, Tyler, come here. You want to say bye to the faves? Come here. So I'm just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time watching, and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll not miss a video. Mondays to Fridays, of course, and sometime on Sundays. Yes, Tyler, come here. Tyler is calling me. Huh? Oh, you're on the toilet? Okay. You knew he was on the toilet? Anyway, you guys, Tyler is in the bathroom, as you guys can hear. See you guys tomorrow.